Starting with the Data Domain Operating System version 7.10.1.40 and newer, you now longer require support intervention when resetting the Sysadmin or Security Officer password. Here is how the process works. First, let's have a look at limitations. This method does not apply to Data Domain Virtual Edition and Management Center. For those, you need to contact the Dell Technical Support. Do not reset passwords on a DD highly available system in a degraded state. You cannot reset the passwords using the web UI. A recovery email has to be set on a per-user basis, and it must be set before a reset is needed. Here are the prerequisites for the reset process. You need to have DDoS version 7.10.1.40, version 8.3, or later installed. Use the command system show version to validate which version is installed. An SMTP mail server needs to be configured. You can validate this using the auto support send command, which will send an email to the configured admin email address. The recovery email address needs to be set prior to the need of a password reset. You can use the command user recovery-email set, followed by the email address to configure a recovery email for the logged-in user. SSH or serial console access is needed, and in addition, you need physical access to the system to insert an USB drive. The USB drive can be any size, formatted as FAT32, ext2, 3 or 4, MS-DOS, and ISO 9660. Now, let's reset the sysadmin password, establish an SSH connection to the data domain, and type in the username, in our case, sysadmin. Now enter a wrong password 3 times. After this, the system asks if you want to reset the password. Type yes and hit enter. A reset token will be generated and sent to the recovery email of the user. Copy the token file from the email to a USB drive and attach it to any free USB port on the affected Dell PowerProtect data domain. Connect to the DD via SSH or serial console again. You will be prompted if you want to reset the password. Answer yes and the USB drive will be detected, and if the token is valid, you can enter a new password and hit enter to confirm. Then re-enter the new password and hit enter. The connection will reset and the new password is set. Re-establish the SSH connection and log in using the new password. Note: a password reset token is single-use only and is valid for 24 hours. You can create a new token at any time by repeating the procedure as shown earlier. Please keep in mind that rebooting the system will invalidate any existing token. For additional information, please refer to the Dell Knowledge Base article 29.1.5.19. Thank you for watching.